No.
What's up, guys? Today we're back here with another video. Whoa.
I need tons of iron though.
Not really.
What's
Yeah,
up, guys?
yeah, he did, yeah,
Back
yes.
here with another video.
Playing punch.
But you should do try this for us. And we got so much better that even my friend Buddy has a legendary. Speak. Speaking of that, we're gonna fight with a little colors because we want to. Yay! Cooking. Now you should go to Charlie fast. Oh, come on, Timothy. Make a shark. Make a sheep. Shark. Okay,
Shut the hell up.
I thought that was.
Go fail.
Stop saying my name. I'm recording. I'll be on it. Back up. Oh shit. God. Yeah, because mom. Yeah. Let's wait. Hey, turn it in. I got it in a room. I got it.
Okay, let me close the door.
Oh shit! Talking real slow. How's it like? Can you tell me all of it? Sing it all. Oh wait, did I tell you? Where's 4? Dude, hey guys, and his name is John Cena. Stupid toilet troller. I got every team on the back. Leave it, la. Guys, and his name is John Hina. Everybody, guys, this one. Guys, help! Oh, I knocked it. Wait. Guys, last one. Last one. Yeah! Level 6. Huh? There's one more. Let me do this, guys. Back up. Yeah, we beat it our record. Whoa. Guys, let's fight each other. Wait. Can you do little trololo? Wait, make a shark. Make a shark with blue shoes and 3 small ones. Let it cook. Go little. What? Not people. Sharks. Okay, me and Cree are going to fight each other. The trolley are taking over. We have to train. The trolley. I can buy my sunflowers. I got money. Ain't no way I got you. Ain't no way I just got you. Ain't no way I don't have a big one. That was small range. Fight some vegetables. Find some vegetables. This is my area. Where's my area? Can I play? Yeah, this is my area. Can we play Animal Company? Yeah, we can play after though. Can I play Animal Company? After. Yeah, I want to play Animal Company. Okay, this was a fun video with you guys. Bye. No, keep doing the video. Keep doing the video. Then it's going to show our home. No. Wait, I'm in Animal Company. Tell me to do a good frog. Tell me the good frog one. That's the only thing I wanted to tell you. I'm in the code. We should go to cave. Okay, this is fun. Can they even hear me or something? Hello? Talk. He's still on the call. Oh.
I can bend you. Koala the cat.
I can activate. No,
I
I'm the one who can only hit.
You drink
I didn't join first. When I loaded in Animal Company, I was in the code still.
Then how come it shows I'm able to do it?
No, but
Press it. Oh.
See, I can kick.
Hey, guys.
And I'm not gonna
do.
kick. I'm definitely not
No, we're going mine. We're going to mine. We're going to no creepy.
Bro, we're going to cave.
Bro,
Mine,
we're going to something else.
not
I wanna
cave.
try. Why did you say my name? I don't know.
Oh, you know
Bro.
you can say his name, but not my name.
Yeah, I do. Now you have to reset the vid.
We can just cancel that.
We can just cancel that
Yeah, I can just
after
cancel
part.
We can just delete it.
Of course, you always want to use.
What is in there? No, we're not.
How do I take out? No, I'm trying to do. Can you tell up there the song? Bro!
Just say buy another
Because
one. It's
you're-
easy.
So I'm trying to do something. You guys go without me. This is why I don't.
Bro, ignore
Bro wants money.
You can't even do anything.
No, I'm not.
You can't.
Why won't he even
You
have
have
to?
to put it on the ground.
Oh, because you have to put it on the ground.
You have to put the bag on the
You
ground.
have to put the bag on the ground.
Like you need dump it.
Like you need to dump it, put the bag on the ground, dump it, put the other bag in the ground,
Can I
dump
help
it.
you? You have to put it on the ground.
You have to put it on the ground.
No, you have to hold it and put it on the
No, you have to hold it and put it on the ground.
ground.
That's
Oh. It's under the ground.
Yeah, no. What's even
Come
happening?
on, under the ground.
Wait, Do we not have any more eggs?
I have 1 egg. I'm not giving it. I'm not giving it.
I have a full bag of it.
I have a full bag of it.
Okay, can we go mining now?
No, it's
Oh, no, is it teeth?
No,
Baby?
bro!
No, bro!
What?
What? Teach our friend.
What did
We
he?
should teach
What
our
happened?
friend.
What? Why do you say no?
He said my name.
I'm guys. Hi, Nate.
I'm Guy. Hi, Nate. Baby be Ugly.
You know I'm gonna stop recording and I'm gonna
What?
get a new one.
That's my name.
That's my nickname. Oh, shit.
Bro, look at it.